with you, I ain't never worried about a side chick. I felt like I found my chick, my sidekick, the one I could really ride with. But I guess I was oh so wrong, even though you felt oh so right. Now I'm making all these damn love songs to know what being hurt feels like. I must have butterfingers, cause I let you slip away. But now I see through these games you play like you were sending under my x-ray. I was dumb in the beginning, but now I'm done giving you the time of day. You were 10, but a brain you lack, now you want me back, fuck that, no way. I'm always gonna want you back, I know, but my pride's too high to ever let that show you. Say we should've waited, maybe let things grow, but I really think it's time I need to let you go.